Certain populations around the globe already have unstable or insufficient access to clean water. The effects from climate change will only put more of a strain on these limited water sources. Southern Africa is one of the places that experts have concluded with high confidence that will see a decrease in groundwater based on many projected climate scenarios. This decrease in groundwater recharge, or the process where water moves downward from surface water to groundwater, is the most common way that aquifers are replenished and filled. Aquifers are an underground layer of water-permeable rock that holds water necessary for many communities to survive. In order to tap into this groundwater resource, wells are needed to extract the water. Communities around the world, including many in southern Africa, use well water for personal hygiene, drinking water, and in cooking and cleaning. With a projected decrease of more than 10% in groundwater recharge in some areas of southern Africa over the next few decades, many already vulnerable communities will see a significant decrease in their precarious water supply. Along with the pressures of an increasing global population, the higher demand for water in the future, and the dwindling resources due to climate change show on even the most optimistic climate scenarios a grim future in water accessibility for parts of southern Africa. This can be accredited to a projected decrease in precipitation due to rainfall variability, and therefore a projected increase in drought in these areas, along with increased strain on these water resources by an increasing population. As projected by these climate models, dry areas will only continue to get more dry, and wet areas will continue to get more wet. The only way to decrease the negative impacts of this problem would be to increase the withdrawals from groundwater, and for these communities to use the storage capacity of groundwater to their advantage. However, this would put aquifers at risk of being overused and collapsing if these communities are not careful to make sure that withdrawals from these aquifers remain well below recharge.